So this is my first animation slideshow thing, and I'm recording it out of a bunch of blankets, so I hope it's fine. Anyways, so the story is we were trying to go back home from this one place. We had to go to the train, and, well, we had to go from the water park to the train station, which means we had to take an Uber. And now I had to use the bathroom real bad, like real bad. To the point where I was shaking around, going crazy in the Uber. This dude probably thought I was some psychopathic demon child that was about to murder him or something. We finally get there. I burst in. We can't find the bathroom. We finally find it. And then, well, you have to pay Tuesday, which is about 25 cents to get in. So I'm sitting there just running. Not sitting there, I guess, running. They're different things. But I'm running back to my parents to get the money. I run straight back after I get the money. I go in there and a nuclear explosion happens. Which was by using the bathroom. I was in there for so long to the point where we missed our train and we had to buy a second class thing. I guess benefits. Because the food was tasty. Tasty food. So hope you like it. I guess. Don't hate me. Bye.